Welcome to JH. Mochi phone claims to be a simple, nostalgic gadget designed to bring you back to the basics of living with minimal distractions and maximum presence. But is it a breakthrough in digital detox, or just a minimalist effort to part you from your money? Many people are wondering if this product is actually legit or just another online gimmick, so stay with me until the end to find out the full truth. The first concern we noticed involves their product images, most of which look like they were borrowed from a quick Google search. If a company can't even be bothered to take a photo of their own device, you have to wonder if the product actually exists in 3 dimensions. Next, the website offers a massive 40% discount paired with a ticking countdown timer. Because nothing says stress-free living, like a digital clock screaming at you to buy something before the world ends in 3 minutes. This kind of pressure marketing is a classic red flag used to make buyers rush into a purchase without thinking. The third thing that stood out was the list of technical specifications. They claim it's a single SIM 3G phone with GPS, Wi-Fi, and a gyro sensor running on Android 8.1. It sounds impressive on paper, but there is absolutely no proof, no hands-on videos, and nothing to back up these claims. It's basically a ghost phone with a spec sheet that's probably as real as my social life. The fourth concern is their contact page, which only lists a single email address for support. There's no phone number, no live chat, and not even a physical address to be found. If something goes wrong with your order, your only hope is sending an email into the void and praying for a miracle. Finally, we searched for external reviews on Trustpilot and Reddit, and the results were a total ghost town. It's quite strange for a product claiming to be so popular to have 0 verified customer feedback anywhere on the internet. So, is the Mochi phone legit? Based on the copied images, unverifiable specs, and the total lack of real reviews, there are just too many red flags to ignore. It all points toward a store that might not be trustworthy, or at the very least, one that isn't ready for prime time. If you're thinking of buying one, I'd strongly suggest you wait until there's actual proof that this thing isn't just a fancy paperweight. Thanks for watching until the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews and updates.